Hi everyone, today topic is sequential category data type. The purpose of sequential category data type is that to store multiple values in a single object. In Python programming, we have four types of sequential category data types: str data type, bytes data type, byte array data type, range data type. str data type, it is one of the free defined class treated as a sequential category data type. The purpose of str data type is that to store integer data or string data or alphanumerical data or numerical data or special symbols with enclosed with single quotes or double quotes or triple single quotes or triple double quotes. On str data, we have two types: single line string data or multi-line string data. Single line string data represents single quotes or double quotes or triple single quotes or triple double quotes. Multi-line string data represents triple single quotes or triple double quotes. On str data, we have performed two operations: indexing and slicing. Indexing, the process of obtaining single value from main string object. Here string object either positive or negative. If we enter valid index, then PVM gives corresponding output. If we enter invalid index, then PVM gives invalid output, index error. Slicing, the process of obtaining range of character or substring from a main string is called slicing. Slicing, we can perform five syntaxes: string object of start end, string object of start colon, string object of colon end, string object of start colon end colon step. Bytes data type, it is one of the free defined class treated as a sequential category data type. The purpose of bytes data type is that to implement end-to-end encryption or ciphertext format. To implement end-to-end encryption or ciphertext format, bytes data type uses the value or organizes the value from ranges from 0 to 256. In other words, it stores the value from 0 to 255 for implementing end-to-end encryption. And in Python programming, we don't have any symbolic notation for organizing the data in the form of bytes, but we can convert other type of data into bytes by using bytes object. Variable name equal to bytes of object. And bytes data type, we can perform it can maintain inertial order. We can perform both indexing and slicing operations. Bytes object belongs to immutable because bytes object does not support item assignment. Byte array is one of the predefined class treated as a sequential category data type. The purpose of byte array data type is that to implement end-to-end encryption or ciphertext. To implement end-to-end encryption or ciphertext format, byte array data type uses the value or organizes the value from ranges from 0 to 256. In other words, it stores the value from 0 to 255 for implementing end-to-end encryption. Byte array, and in Python programming, we don't have any symbolic notation for organizing the data in the form of byte array, but by using byte array function, byte syntax variable name equal to byte array of object. It can maintain inertial order. We can perform both indexing and slicing operations. Byte array belongs to mutable. Byte array object supports item assignment and updation. Range is one of the free defined class treated as a sequential category data type. The purpose of range data type is that to store sequential numerical integer value or with equal interval of values step either in forward or backward direction. Byte array data type perform indexing and slicing operations. Byte array data type provides three syntaxes: string object of value, string object of begin end, string object of begin end step.